thing. A Mini Cooper pizza oven. It's got a chimney and everything. Who made a pizza oven out of a Mini Cooper? That's incredible.
I'll get a side shot.
Come on.
Fucking speed up your mouth.
Fucking van man, get away.
Oh, but that is a legit Mini Cooper.
That's legit. A cut in half. It's a quarter of a Mini Cooper turned into a pizza oven.
A Series 1 Mini Cooper.
That's amazing.
You are kind of...
Yeah, the most organised sound off on the planet. Yes,
I'm going to plug it in and film with it. I'll put it on constant.
Right, anyway, yeah, welcome. This is Proper Droppers. It's our season opener. Come on here. Fun. System dodgy as hell. Right, okay.
So what are these?
GD Z2Bs.
What power do they do?
Okay, cool.
14.4.
Right.
That's it there. Z2B.
Z2B.
To be or not to be? That is the question.
Yeah, right, in the lane, we got back. Well, at least you're here.
That's pretty.
Right, how's Matthew doing?
What are the subs?
NS4s, the new Neos.
Oh, with the strong motor. Yeah.
Okay. We like this to like 150 at each sort of frequency. Not like me that just went through, like you got like 250.
Hello. It's falling apart.
Ryan, do you want to do any of those
So,
frequencies
the MDF
again?
is my new door.
Brilliant.
Yeah, all
More
right,
than that, I will have the doors back in there, but by then I'll have my new door on.
150.
That's cool.
Okay. Okay. Right, in Proper Droppers we have 8 different categories. We've got boot categories, which is boot movements 1, which is a single 10. 515s. Wow. Yes. Okay, that's cool. Right, 153.74. Don't forget this is 250.
Let's have a look at what you could have won!
Relax, Mushy, don't do anything. Your missus is on the phone. Hello, darling.
Go away, we're busy!
They're telling you to go away because we're busy. You go and, yeah.
Yeah, what? Yeah, what?
I can't repeat, no industrial language. Here, you can speak to Martin.
We're trying to test it.
Just keep charging your batteries, Mushy. Look, the tension's building. It's the car before the storm. You alright? Hey! Wow. Okay, a 161 point. The part of the event where you see people being blown back into the SPL trailer. Oh goodness! They old bucket mouth out there. There's youngsters present.
Someone needs to go and get.
Ford 6K, loudest vehicle in the world. Okay, starting off with a 157.
That's the.
Okay, that is absolutely awesome. Well done. So he's done it twice. It weren't a fluke last time. And there's people saying it, you can't hit that.
Is the NS V3s?
Yeah, NS Nightshades.
Nightshade V3s.
Hold the revs on.
30k. Open door.
Ultra low music.
Sorry, can I just leave you in and run away? Because Ross just wants a hand.
You're going to
through
leave
on-
me with the controls?
Yeah, but don't turn it up. Do me a favour. Just have the battery charge. Turn that up to 19.2. And I'll be literally back in 5 minutes.
So,
Passenger door's broken.
is Adam getting in?
This is the passenger door's broken, so you have to climb over.
We may need to cut him out.
How low is this roof?
You're gonna have to cut him out.
Oh,
It's minding that
gear
seat.
stick, anus, gear stick, anus.
Sticky gear stick.
Full teller's a Batman suite.
That's a bad seat. We've done a joke, haven't we?
Ow.
Ow. Oh, he's in. He's well.
Oh, I'm in.
He's sort of in.
I am so in.
He's in there.
Like Errol.
I have to admit, this is the least comfortable I've been in a long time.
It's
Mushy,
fucking crazy, isn't it?
Mushy. We found Mushy, you're in the wrong car! Mushy! It was about fucking time, where have you been?
You fucking.
You know how hard it was to get in this seat?
Yeah.
Full teller on the Batman suite!
Badman sweet.
Batman.
Get them out of the way.
Just in case they jump up and, you know, get launched at the
Put that there.
stratosphere.
No, you never
Chuck
do.
it where?
Gonna put it in the
Put it,
fucking
roll it
glove.
up and stuck it in the anus, there's more room in there.
Down. Otherwise. Fresh song.
That was a base equivalent of looping me up.
Ultra low music. That's my son.